Hello and welcome back to Khadija's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making chicken shish kebabs. These are really good and super easy to make, so let's get started. Here is our kebab mix and our cubed chicken breast. Now we're going to add the seasoning mix to the chicken. We use the seasoning from SHAN, but there are a lot of other brands that sell this seasoning too. As you can see here, we're mixing the chicken and the seasoning together and slowly adding in more seasoning just so you have the right amount. Make sure you stir this chicken really well. And then we're going to marinate this for at least 4 to 6 hours. For best results, marinate this chicken overnight. When the chicken is finished marinating, you can start by chopping 3 bell peppers. Slice the peppers just so they're the right size to match the skewers. To make your kebabs look more appetizing, I recommend using some different colored peppers. Add these diced peppers to the marinated chicken. Chop 1 large onion and add it to the chicken and peppers. Stir the ingredients together. I like to mix the ingredients together instead of keeping them separate because it boosts up the flavor and so everything gets a little bit of seasoning. If you'd like, keeping the vegetables and the meat separate is also an option. Drizzle in some vegetable oil. Continue stirring the ingredients together. So now it's time to put all of our pieces of chicken and vegetables onto the kebab skewers in a consecutive pattern. Put in any pattern that you'd like. When you've finished making your desired amount, heat up and drizzle some oil onto a pan that will fit your kebabs. So now you can carefully lay each kebab onto the pan in neat rows and then cook that layer for 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes, flip the kebabs and cook the other sides for another 5 minutes. You can use a spatula to press down onto them to make sure they're getting cooked well.
and
after those 5 minutes, you can flip them again. Flip them a few more times in the 5-minute intervals, and once the ingredients on the kebab look nice and golden looking, then you're done. I really hope you enjoyed this amazing kebab recipe. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, and so you don't miss any new recipes from our channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye!